Hi, good morning. Today's topic of discussion is factorization. This is again class 8 mathematical chapter, and it is one on priority. Students face a lot of difficulty understanding factorization. So I felt that I should make things easy for you people. So let us understand by the term factorization, what does it mean? So factorization is a process of breaking down a number or expression into following numbers or expression that multiplies together to give the original number or expression. So I'll explain with an example. Suppose we take the number 16. So 16 is a number and it can be broken down into smaller componential number which can be the product of which again gives 16. So 16 can be 4 into 4, that is the product of 4 into 4 is again 16. So 4 that's 4 square is a factor of 16. Similarly 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 or 4 into 2 or 8 into 1. So 8, 1, 4, 2 are all the factors of 8. 6x plus 12 can be written as 6 and x plus 12. 6 and 6 bracket open x plus 1 bracket close. So this is again two numbers, two factors, 6 and x plus 1 are the two factors of the expression 6x plus 12. So to find factorization, the first step is finding the common factors, to find out the common factors from the expression and writing down the uncommon factors within the bracket. So let me explain with the help of an example. So example number 1 is 5x square plus 10x. So this expression 5x square can be written as 5 into x and 10 is 2 into 5 into x. So you can see the common factors in both the terms of both the expressions is 5 and x. So 5x I put it outside the bracket, and the uncommon factors. The first expression, the uncommon factor is x, and the second term, the uncommon factor is 2. So 5x bracket open x plus 2. So the two factors are 5x and x plus 2. Understanding this, let us move to the second part, that is factorization identities. First identity is a square minus b square. So what does this a square minus b square mean? We have to understand whenever we get a term with a square minus b square expression, we can easily use the elaboration as two factors a minus b into a plus b. For example, 9x square minus 49. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square. 3 is a 9 and x and whole square. Minus 49 is 7 square. So this 3x is supposed to be a and 7 is supposed to be b. So it is fulfilling my identity number 1, a square minus b square. So it can be written as 3x minus 7 into 3x plus 7. So these are the two factors of the expression 9x square minus 49. So the second identity what we are having is a plus b whole square. So if my expression is in the form of a plus b whole square, it is elaborated as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this is either way. If we get the expression in this way, this order, we can put it in this way, or if we get the expression in this order, we can put it in the expanded way. Suppose we are asked to factorize this expression a square plus 8a plus 16. So here we can use the a plus b whole square formula. So we can elaborate as a square plus 8a plus 16 is 4 square. So now a square, 8 can be further broken as 2 into 4 into a. Now if a square is from the formula side a square, this is as 2ab, 2 into a is a square, b square is b is 4. So 2 into AB and B square. So it is fulfilling the expanded form of the formula A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So my answer is A plus 4 whole square, where A is A and B is 4. A plus B whole square. So second identity what we have in front is A minus B whole square. So the expression is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Example, 4x square minus 8x by plus 4. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus 8x can be written as 2 into 2x into 4. Sorry, 2 into 2x into 2. And 4 is broken as 2 whole square. Now, if you can see, 2x is considered as a square and 2 square is b square, and this is see 2 into a into b, 2 into 2x into 2, 2 into a into b. So is it not fulfilling my second expression, a minus b whole square? Yes, it is. So my expression, my factorization is 2x minus 2 whole square. So let us pause and understand what we have taken so far. So number 1, taking out the common factor. Number 2, a square minus b square identity, that is a minus b into a plus b. Number 3, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And number 4, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us further talk on more about factorization. So students, sometimes we are unable to use the factorization identities. So in such a situation, we will use the middle term break to learn how to break the middle term. For example, p square plus 6p plus 8. So is an expression given and we have to find the factorization. So we cannot use a plus b whole square, neither we can use a square minus b square, neither we can use a minus b whole square. So how to do it? We are stuck. So friends, we will be breaking the middle term. Here the middle term is 6p. So the middle term is 6. So 6 need to be broken into two terms so that I can factorize these expressions p square plus 6p plus 8 in two simple expressions, product of which will give this. Let's start. For breaking the middle term, we have to identify the numbers which will satisfy the product of the extreme. Here the extreme says p square, beginning of this 1p square and 8. So 8 and 1, 8 and 1 multiply. So the product is 8 and the mean or middle term is plus 6. So we have to find two numbers which will satisfy the product of the extreme, that is 8 into 1, that is 8, and the sum of the mean, that is plus 6. So as I just said, that we have to find two numbers which will satisfy product 8 and sum 6. So in that situation, we will factorize the product 8. If I factorize the product 8, we get 2, 2 and 2. So 2 to 4, 4 into 2, 8. So two numbers can be 4 and 2. 4 and 2 can be the two numbers. If I multiply 4 into 2, we get 8. And if we add 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. So it is satisfying 4 and 2 are the two numbers with satisfying product and summation, 8 and 6. So we will utilize this 4 and 2 to further break the middle term 6p. Let's see. So breaking 6, we have got two terms 4 and 2. So you will use that to break the middle term. So now we can write the expression as p square plus 4p plus 2p plus 8. Now we take the first two expression, take out the common factors. P is the common factor. P square plus 4p, the common factor is p. So p is taken out of the bracket. What is left is p plus 4. And what is the common factor in this expression? 2p plus 8? 2. We take the 2 out, and what is left in the inside the bracket is p plus 4. Now you can see p plus 4 is common, so this is one of the factors. P plus 4 is one factor and p plus 2 is another factor. So we have found two factors, p plus 2 and p plus 4. Now these two factors are for the expression p square plus 6p plus 8. So let us understand with the help of another example. This is also known as quadratic equation. So don't get nervous of the term quadratic. It's simple. We are breaking the middle term. So quadratic equation or middle term break is all the more same. So example number 2 says p square plus 6p minus 16. Okay, very good. Now, so the middle term is plus 6. Product of the extreme is plus 1 and minus 16. So minus 16 is the product. And what is the sum? Sum is the middle term, that is plus 6. So next step is we factorize the product. So 16 is factorized as 2, 2, 2 and 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4. So we have got 4 2's. So now we arrange 4 2's in such a way that we get two numbers. And by adding, we get the sum plus 6, and by multiplying, we get the product as minus 16. So we have identified two numbers, 8 and 2. Now we have to put the integers. If I say I put plus 8 and minus 2, I put positive integer in front of the bigger number and negative integer in front of the smaller number. So what will be the product? 8 to the 16 plus and minus. Plus and minus becomes minus product. I've taught you in the factorization section. Sorry, integer section. And what will be the summation? Plus 8 and minus 2 is plus 6. So we have got the two terms as plus 8 and minus 2, which is satisfying both the product and the summation. Now we will put these two numbers in the middle term, break and factorize it. Let's see. So we have got two factors, plus 8 and minus 2. So we put those two factors in the middle term. So p square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. Now we are going to find out the common from first two expression and the common from the last two expression. The first two expression, p square minus 8p, the common factor is p. We put it outside the bracket. What is remaining? P plus 8 is put inside the bracket. Similarly, minus 2 is the common factor, which is put outside. What is remaining is p plus 8. Now, we have to remember that we have put plus 8. Why? Because when we open, plus and minus become minus. That's the reason we have changed the symbol. 8 plus p is common, so this is the common factor out, and p plus 2 is another factor, p minus 2 is another factor. So two factors is p plus 8 and p minus 2. So we have already reached the last leg of factorization. If you have understood till here, you are halfway through. Last topic is division. This is basically the summation of all the knowledge you have gathered so far. So when we divide two expressions, we take the common factors. Heed to be taken as when we remove the factors from the numerator and denominator, the expression should be the products only. So no summation, no subtraction can be cut or removed. Okay? Let's understand with the help of example. 28x to the power of 4 divided by 56x. So first we factorize 28, we get 227. When we factorize 56, we get 222, but 2 to the power of 3 and 7. We put it in this order. This is the division order. 2 into 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x, that's x to the power of 4, divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into x. Now we actually, this is all multiplication. There is no multiplication, there is no addition and subtraction here. So here we can cut, it's the product. The expression in the numerator, expression in the denominator is all products. So product we can cut with the common product. That is 2 and 2 can be cut. 2 and 2 can be cut. 7 and 7 can be cut, x and x can be cut. So what is remaining would be the answer. So let's understand. So 2 and 2 cut, 2 and 2 cut, 7 and 7 cut, and x cut. So what is remaining is x into x into x in the numerator, and 2 is in the denominator. So x into x into x is what? X cube divided by 2. This is the answer. So the second example is 5x square minus 6 divided by 3x. Now we have to find out from lesson number 1 what we have understood, that we have to first step is to get the common. So 5x square and minus 6x, the common is x. We take the x common outside the bracket. What is remaining is 5x minus 6. So 5x into 5x minus 6, these are the two products. Now you cannot cut 5x minus 6, you cannot cut. With 3 you cut 6, no, you cannot cut because there's minus. What you can cut is the product, two products. X is one product and 5x minus 6 is another product. So here x can be cut only, nothing else. So x and x is cut. So what is remaining is 5x minus 6 divided by 3. This is, you can leave it at here till here, you will get full marks. Or you can further step it down as 3 is 1 by 3 into 5x minus 6. So both the answers are correct. In both ways you will get full marks. So the next example, example number 3 is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So first step, we take the common factor out, that is 5 is common. So what we are left is 2x minus 5 divided by 5. We put it in this order, numerator, denominator. 5, 2x minus 5 divided by 5, 5 goes off, cut. So what is remaining? Answer is 2x minus 5. Next question is 9x square y square bracket 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy bracket z minus 8. The first step is, see, 3x minus 24. If we take 3 common out, what is left is xz minus 8, and z minus 8 is here also, so we can easily cut. So we put it in this order. 9 is x square y square dot, that is product, 3 bracket z minus 8 whole divide 27xy bracket z minus 8. Now we cut z minus 8, z minus 8, 3 9 is 27 and 9 cut, and then we can cut the x's, x and x cut. So what is remaining is x, y and y cut, what is remaining is y. Let's see. So after removing the common factors, what we are left is xy. Z minus 8, z minus 8 is cut, 3 9 is 27, 9 and 9 cut, x in the square is x and square cut, y and square cut. So what we are remaining is xy, that is the answer. So next question is y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Now we will be using middle term break or quadratic equation, what I have taught in the previous lectures. Now going to the first expression, here the product of the extreme is 10 and sum is 5, sum is 7. So second step is we factorize 10, 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are the two numbers. 5 to the 10 and 5 plus 2, 7. So we got the two numbers. We put the two numbers in the middle term. So y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So we take the common factor from the first expression. Y is the common factor. What is left is y plus 2. From the second expression, 5 is the common factor, taken out. And what is remaining is y plus 2. Y plus 2 and y plus 2 is common. So that is taken out as y plus 2 into y plus 5 divided by y plus 5. Now all our products, y plus 5 and y plus 5, these two expressions are cut. What is left is the numerator y plus 2, that's the answer. So the next question is 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. So similarly we have to first see, this we can do it, but blindly do not do the quadratic equation or middle term break with this huge number. So here we can see that. So the first step is we see the 5 common, so we take the 5 out. So what is left is 5 bracket open p square minus 5, 5 is 25, so 5 is taken out, so what is left is 5p plus 5 4 is 20, so plus 4 divided by p minus 1. Now this is a smaller expression where we can easily do the middle term break. Product is plus 4, sum is minus 5. We factorize 2 2s are 4. Again 4 in and 1. 4 and 1. 4 and 1 again minus 4 minus 1 can be added to get minus 5, and minus 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So the two factors is minus 4 and minus 1. So we put those factors in the middle term to break it. The expression becomes 5 within bracket p square minus 1 minus 4p minus 1p minus 4p plus 4 divided by 5 plus p minus 1. So we rearrange and put it in the numerator and denominator order. And you can see the common factor is p minus 1 and p minus 4. Now p minus 1 and p minus 1 is cut. So what is left is 5 into p minus 4. Right. This brings to the end of the factorization. There's nothing much to learn. I wish all the class 8 students very good luck for your final exam. And so this is the number on the screen. This is my number, and you can WhatsApp me, call me for any difficulty, for any proposal. Do subscribe my channel and boost me, and to share these videos with all your friends so that everybody secures good mark in their exam. Thank you very much.